In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva AI's Magic Write text generator to create content quickly and easily. Hi everyone. If you've ever stared at a blank page wondering how to start your caption, headline, or short blurb, this tool is going to save you time while keeping your creativity front and center. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open any existing design you're already working on. If you're starting from scratch, pick a template size that matches your goal, an Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a flyer, so your text will fit the space you plan to use. Next, look for Magic Write. Depending on your Canva version, you'll find it under Quick Actions on the homepage, or inside the editor under the Apps section. If you're in the Apps panel, you might need to scroll a bit to spot it. Click Magic Write to open the text generator so you can start crafting your prompt. In the text box, type a prompt describing exactly what you want Canva AI to write. Be specific about the format, audience, and tone so the output feels on brand. For example, you could type, "Write a catchy Instagram caption about travel." You can also mention the vibe you want, upbeat, professional, or playful, and any keywords that matter to your message. When you're ready, click Generate and give it a moment to process. Magic. Write will create a few lines of text based on your prompt. This usually appears quickly, and it's designed to get you moving, not box you in. Now review the output. Read it aloud and check that it matches your purpose, sounds natural, and fits the platform you're using. If something feels off, consider what might be missing from your prompt, or think about how you'll polish the wording to better reflect your voice. Accuracy and clarity matter, so adjust anything that needs to be tighter or more relevant. Once you're happy, copy the text and paste it directly into your design. Place it where it belongs and see how it looks with your layout. Finally, tweak the wording to match your style or tone. Trim for length, punch up the opening line, or add a light call to action. Then format it in your design with fonts, colors, and spacing so it looks as good as it reads. And that's how you use Canva AI's Magic Write text generator. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.